Well, it's Sunday at our law firm, and I'm just here getting things ready for a very busy week for our clients and their families here in New Jersey and in Pennsylvania. Over the weekends, our firm receives a lot of questions from individuals who are vacationing at the New Jersey shore. And one of the questions that we received today was regarding underage drinking and driving. Now, I'm not talking about DWI, and while a minor obviously faces the standard DWI penalties in both Pennsylvania and New Jersey if they're found driving while impaired. There's also, it's important to understand that there are specific laws in Pennsylvania and New Jersey which target minors operating a vehicle after consuming alcohol. That means that they're not necessarily DUI or DWI, driving under the influence, driving while intoxicated. They just have alcohol in their system. So in New Jersey, if a minor, a person under the age of 21, is stopped and police find that their BAC, their blood alcohol content or concentration, is between 0.01 and 0.08, they face a mandatory minimum 30 to 90 day license suspension, community service of 15 to as much as 30 days. And in addition, if the officers find that their BAC is over the legal standard limit of 0.08, they face those penalties as well. Now, in New Jersey, if you've listened to my previous videos or read my previous blogs, you know that in New Jersey, first-time offenders, it's a 3-month license suspension if you're over the legal limit of 0.08 to 0.10. If you're over 0.10, it's a 7-month license suspension. Understand that in New Jersey, unlike Pennsylvania, prosecutors are not permitted to negotiate down DWIs. Now, with that said, there's a lot that a criminal defense lawyer can do, and it's very important that if this happens to you and you're the parent of a minor or a young adult, that you give us a call in New Jersey, 856-793-7429. In Pennsylvania, 215-755-9000. Our website, GamboneLaw.com, is a tremendous resource for you and your family. I did a previous video on electric scooters in New Jersey. That's a great video to watch. Again, we get a lot of questions from people who are vacationing in New Jersey and have questions. Remember that if you're a parent and your young adult is in your house and they're drinking even beer with dinner or wine, which happens in a lot of households. It happened to my household too. But keep that in the back of your mind that if they're drinking and they're going to go out, remember that it isn't DWI. It's just being stopped and having alcohol in your system. And remember, tolerance and impairment are two different things. And I can't stress it enough that if they're drinking any alcohol, whether it be wine, beer, I know spritzers are very popular, there's alcohol in there. And it doesn't take a lot to get a 0.01 BAC level. And it's practically nothing. And I know a lot of times minors now are having these parties because of the COVID shutdown. They're having these parties, so they're not necessarily sneaking into bars and getting fake IDs. But keep that in the back of your mind. Officers, I do know, are kind of monitoring that situation. They recognize that these parties are happening, and I would think that a lot of them are potentially even doing patrols in these hotels or places where these things are going on. So again, if you have questions, give us a call. In New Jersey, 856-793-7429. In Pennsylvania, 215-755-9000. We answer our calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And again, GamboneLaw.com is the website. I hope you're all doing well, and I will talk to you all soon. Have a great Sunday.